On the 18th of May, there was a boat accident in a river in Hungary where a small tourist boat has collided with a cruise ship on that river, and two people were pronounced dead, five others are still missing. As I said, it has happened in Hungary on the 18th of May. A tourist motorboat has collided with a cruise ship. There were several hundred people on that cruise ship and a few people on that tourist motorboat, but thanks God it could have been more serious. Only two people has been killed, five others missing. Police are still searching for those missing. As I said, there were lots more people on that cruise ship, but thanks God they were not injured or killed. I'll let you guys read it over there. Okay, guys, now I'm going to show you. I knew something like that was about to happen in Europe. I dreamed that in January 2023, so it's nearly like 1.5 years ago. I'll let you guys read the rest. In fact, the cruise ship has not capsized. It's a small tourist boat, motorboat, who was capsized. There were eight people on board of it, two killed, five missing. And in my dream, I got that one wrong. I saw 45 people will die, but it could have happened if it was more serious. Since God, it has not happened that way. Only a few people has been killed. But I knew it. A cruise ship will collide with something in Europe, and it has happened, guys. Let me show you the title here. Here you get it properly, the title. Thank you for watching. Please share it. Of course, this is just a simple example of events that is going to happen, and I knew about it. Everything approximately in which region, how the accident will happen. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share it.